In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Cloudflare DNS. This guide is designed to help you navigate through the process effortlessly, ensuring your internet connection benefits from increased speed and improved security. Let's dive right in. First, we need to access your network settings. To begin, head over to your computer's settings menu. Once there, look for the Network and Internet section. This is where all your network-related configurations are housed. Click on it, and a new window will reveal more options. You're going to select Change Adapter Options, which will direct you to a panel displaying all your available network connections. These are basically all the pathways through which your computer talks to the Internet. Identify your active connection. This could be either a Wi-Fi connection or an Ethernet cable, depending on how you are connected to the web. Now, hover your cursor over your active connection and give it a right-click. In the menu that pops up, you will find an option labeled Properties. Select it, and you will open another window containing a list of various network settings. Scroll through until you spot Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Once found, give it a click. At the bottom of the panel, you'll see an option that says Use the following DNS server addresses. This is exactly what we need. Click on this option to enable it for configuring custom DNS settings. Now, we're going to input the DNS addresses provided by Cloudflare. In the first field that appears, type in 1.1.1.1. Let me tell you why these numbers matter. Using Cloudflare's DNS, represented by 1.1.1.1, can offer you quicker access to websites and enhance privacy by not logging your IP address or selling your data. In the next field available, enter 1.0.0.1. This secondary address works as a backup, ensuring that even if one server is down, your connection remains seamless. It's important to remember that these settings will override any default DNS settings given by your internet service provider, providing you with Cloudflare's optimized DNS service. This change is often transparent to you, the user, but can significantly improve your browsing experience in terms of speed and resilience against certain online threats. Now, once you have both the numbers carefully input, go ahead and click OK to apply these settings. Then close out of any open windows. With these changes, your computer should now exclusively use Cloudflare's DNS whenever you access the Internet. You might want to restart your browser or computer to ensure the new settings take full effect. By following these steps, you should now be successfully connected to Cloudflare's DNS, basking in the benefits of faster and more secure browsing. If any issues arise, try retracing these steps, checking for any missteps, and applying them again. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.